How to add Discord link to Linktree. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily add your Discord invite link to Linktree. First thing I'm going to do is go to discord.com/app on my browser, or if you're on the application, that's alright as well. I've got this server of myself, so I'm going to right click on the server to send a invite link. So what I'm going to do is right click on it and then click on invite people. Now it will open up this pop-up where I can edit the invite link. So let's say it has no limits and it does not expire. So let's set this to never and generate a new link. I'll just copy this link, go to a new tab and search for Linktree, hit enter and then open the first link. Now click on login. If you don't have an account, you can sign up with it, but I'm just going to continue with my Google account for easy access. Now click on continue, and you should be logged into your Linktree account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is create a new link for yourself. So let's just create our username first, because this is the first time I'm using this. So let's just continue. Make sure to set up a unique username for yourself, and then click on continue. All right, so here our account has been created. So let's just get started. Let's say it's for my personal use. Click on continue. Let's skip this. And then we should be able to get started with this. So let's just start with the free one for now. Let's get started. And then finally, you can select a template. So I like this one. It looks minimalistic. So let's just use this one. Let's enter our Instagram. I'm going to add my username. Click on continue. All right, so here you can click on continue again. And on your link tree, let's just continue building and add our Discord link. There was an option to add it on while we were signing up, but most of you guys already might have the account. So what I'm going to do is click on add. Let's just paste the Discord link here and then click on add again. Now this link tree will be shown on our Instagram app and the Discord link will be there. So just go ahead and click on save and you're good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.